Hello and welcome to the next part. I just realized that the brightness is a bit off. There is nothing I can do about that. I am sorry, people. Well, let's go. Stage 2. I also looked at it. There's only about 5 stages. Yeah, the stages can get... I know a few of the stages that are really long. I don't remember if this is one of them.
Julia, I'm not sure I can do this. Just being ahead.
But there's a lot of cool things about being ahead.
I forgot how weird this costume looked on her.
For free.
Alright, that hardly makes up for...
Carpal tunnel syndrome? You're immune. And it's totally cool. I'm like the only girl with a decapitated head for a boyfriend.
I don't want to be a fashion accessory, Juliet. This is my life. Is that rain?
No, that's blood.
Uh-oh.
Okay. I remember this, but what the fuck? I remember this. This guy is supposed to represent Viking metal? Since when was that a music genre? Like, somebody explain to me, how is Viking metal a fucking music genre? I have never heard of this. I have never heard of Viking metal.
Yes, the giant floating Viking ship is not a good
Oh,
thing.
fuck.
River Dark Purveyor. Oh my gosh. That's my big sister, Cordelia.
Oh,
Who?
Cordelia.
My sister, Cordelia. She's a zombie hunter, too.
Really?
Hey! Cordelia! Can you hear me? Hey! What's up, Juliet?
She looks like somebody out of Evil Dead. She apparently gets turned off at the color blue. Okay. Is that a book or something? Cordelia, you will see the rest of Juliet's family, except the mother, who you don't see until the end, and that actually depicts which ending you get. But Cordelia is basically the true military one, like the actual person. You don't have a bladder or kidneys, my friend. Look on the bright side, you don't have to go to the bathroom ever. Which I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Because then what would happen if you ate something? The fuck? Okay then. I like the music. I like the music I chose. Okay, let's see if I remember how to do this stupid dash. That's right. Right bumper.
Wait, stop! Makes me dizzy. Watch the eyes.
And that is how you enter a battle. You know, without an exploding zombie, they're on fire. Them being on fire is kind of pointless. At least I think it's pointless. Oh, damn it! I'm gonna jump over you, you douche. You got a cup on! Oh, wait, that wouldn't help when it comes to a chainsaw. Ah, yes. I fucking love chainsaws.
Where's you now?
Sister dropped. Secondly, I want to save my sister's life.
Well, you have your priorities straight.
I know, yay!
I don't think Cordelia needs to be saved. Just a thought. Huh. No sparkle attack. Wow, how long are these guys going to be stunned? And that's the last one. Where to now? Okay, that doesn't really work as a ramp. And I completely missed.
Kill him anyway.
Just say assholes! What the fuck?
Kill him.
Jesus, that takes a while for me to die. You dick. Okay, apparently that guy had a pet cat. Put me in, coach! Put me in! That's a quote of something if I knew what I could tell you. But I don't. So fuck off. Okay. Who was driving that?
I hate it when everyone turns into zombies, but it's also kind of fun because I get to do stuff like jump on a fire truck.
No, I always wondered what would actually happen in the zombie apocalypse. Would it be fun, because I actually could fight zombies and not be a complete dumbass? Like, would I end up... God damn it. Would I end up like one of the crew of High School of the Dead? Because I would be... I like using swords. But then again... You know what? I'm gonna stop thinking about this and continue playing this game.
This place is falling apart.
I grab these even though I'm never gonna go into a store again. Because I don't need to. It saves me time in this playthrough. Like if the camera stops, I might, but like if it stopped like right by a store. But what are the odds of that?
Fine, ma'am.
That's a guy.
It's like backdraft gravy.
Douchebag. Can you please die? Jesus, what took you so long?
I need a girlfriend.
Yes, you do. And so do I. I know that guy's pain. Where the fuck do I go? This way. X, 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 X.
What's your favorite color, Nick?
Blue? No, green.
Awesome. I love learning about you.
I fucked up. It's yellow.
Don't even know what the fuck his favorite color is. I know mine. There's nothing over here. Have you guessed my favorite color yet? It's black.
I'm gonna fist my ass with your head.
What? Oh my... Suddenly, football players are all gay. Okay. Let me say I have nothing wrong with those who are homosexual. As long as... See, I'm very impartial when it comes to homosexuality because the way I see it, what does it matter who kisses who? I mean, it's like basically saying, like, say you're in, like, a freaking sandwich shop. And the guy in front of you gets a sandwich you don't like. Would you get pissed about it because he chose something different than you? I hope not. That's the way I see it. And I completely wasted a lollipop. Oh well. Not like I'm gonna use them doing a normal stage. Not until the boss fight. Why did I waste that chainsaw dash? Get out of here. I can't move. There we go. That was good. Sodomy is against the law, sir. I'm not good at dealing with those who are shot in half like this. When in doubt... But that works against everything. Get off me. Oh, there we go, that's right. Are you fucking kidding me? More of this shit? Stupid quick time events. I don't like these. Oh, he can apparently breathe fire. Why don't we let him keep that body and help? Then he could help fight zombies. Like,
I killed my first zombie at 6 months old with a sharpened rattle.
Whatever. Enough. I can't find. This is like an anime. If you try to find logic in it, it's no fun. Congratulations. I don't give a fuck if you saved a cat because cats hate me, and I hate cats.
Stop it!
Cats! I don't like them.
That's the parachute from Cordelia's present.
Wonderful. That worked. Oh shit. That's low on battery.
Sharpen just makes me feel better about myself.
I'm gonna split the part here because this is low on battery and I need to charge it and it's probably running out of space. So, see you in the next part, whenever that is. Then again, you'll see this all live. I'm gonna upload this all at once, so there you go. See you later.